Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to continue our discussion on birds. Up, up, and away. Most birds have feathers that allow them to fly. Most feathers are designed to allow the air to flow through so birds can fly. So over here we have an example of a feather from an owl and a feather from a hawk. Brr, I need to stay warm. Some birds live in very cold environments, such as the penguin. Their feathers are very close together and are very close to their bodies to keep them warm. So here is an example of a penguin feather. Watch where you are stepping. How do his feet help this duck to live in a water environment? His feet act as paddles and push the duck through the water. Sharp. An eagle has sharp talons. What are these talons used for? Talons are used for grabbing onto food and tearing it. Check out the talons on this eagle. Oh my. There he is, grabbing onto a fish. Hold on tight. Look at this foot. What do you think it is good at doing for a bird? It is a perching foot. It can hold tightly onto branches. Eating upside down. Flamingos have a unique beak. How do they use their beak to eat? Flamingos stir up the mud at the bottom of the pond and filter out all of the small insects and fish. There he goes. I like seeds. Look at how short this bird's beak is. Many small birds have beaks that allow them to eat seeds. Their beaks are very powerful and can crack the hard seeds. Slurp. Look at my beak. What do you think I like to eat? I like to drink the sweet nectar from plants. My long beak acts like a straw so I can drink. And there he is, drinking from a flower. All right, my friends, I hope you enjoyed learning a few more facts about birds. Have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.